Greetings everyone, welcome to the second part of tutorials from the Askflow team. If you're watching this video, chances are you've already connected Askflow to your store. If not, you can find the link to the first part, how to connect Askflow to your Shopify store, in the description of this video. I'm Alex, the founder of Askflow, and today I'll guide you through using Askflow, specifically how to create your very first quiz. Let's dive in. So after connecting your store, you'll arrive at the Askflow's main dashboard. Now let's create your first quiz. Click on New Quiz. You'll see the initial starting question. Edit it by simply clicking on the fields to enter your desired text. To add a new answer to the question, click Add Answer and type it in. For the next question, hover over the point next to the first step and drag a new branch from there. After dragging, a drop-down list of possible question types will appear. Select one. You can create a new question from a specific answer in the same way by dragging a new branch from that answer, thus creating more personalized quizzes. Now, let's explore question types. To create a regular question with text options, choose Choice. For picture-based questions, select Image. You can attach picture answer options to this question. To create a form, such as collecting emails from buyers, click Forms. We'll cover forms later. The most exciting part is the last step, Products, where selected products are displayed based on the answers. Remember, all questions must lead to a product recommendation step. Otherwise, the quiz won't work properly. To remove a step, hover over it and click Remove. To duplicate a question, click Duplicate, and a copy will appear next to it. The flag button designates your selected question as the starting question of the quiz. Clicking it will start the visitor's journey from that question. To undo actions, use the icon arrows at the top. This wraps up the map view, crucial for structuring your quiz sequence. For in-depth step detailing, select a question, click Expand, and you'll see the detailed menu settings for each question. Here you'll find the question step card itself and its main settings. In main settings, specify whether a question must be answered and choose between single or multiple answers. Each question type offers a unique settings. For instance, you can remove descriptions from the pictures or create distinct content in open forms. My team and I developed these question types to bring any idea to life. So experiment and innovate. Many brilliant ideas emerge from the process, so dive in. Remember, the journey of crafting engaging quizzes with Askflow has just begun. Stay tuned for more insights and creative possibilities.